Hey everyone! If you're using Godot 4 and suddenly can't switch animations inside AnimatedSprite2D, like idle, walk, or attack getting completely locked, don't worry. This is a very common issue, especially when using AnimationTree together with AnimatedSprite2D. In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it in less than 1 minute. Here I have a simple 2D player scene. The player contains an AnimatedSprite2D, an animation player, and an animation tree. Everything runs perfectly during gameplay. But when I go back to AnimatedSprite2D and try switching animations manually, for example, idle, walk, or attack, nothing changes. The animation looks locked. You click different animations, but the sprite refuses to switch. So what's happening? The reason is that AnimationTree is currently controlling the animation system. When AnimationTree is active, it overrides animation playback completely. That means AnimatedSprite2D no longer has manual control, even inside the editor. So Godot is actually working correctly, it's just being controlled somewhere else. Here's the fix. Select your AnimationTree node. Go to the Inspector panel. Find the active property, and simply disable it. Now go back to AnimatedSprite2D. Switch between idle, walk, and attack again, and boom, animations work normally again. AnimationTree is designed to take full control over animations for blending and state machines. So whenever you want to edit or preview animations manually, temporarily deactivate the animation tree, then reactivate it when testing gameplay. And that's it, quick fix.